Hi, so welcome in another video. It's a little bit special. So one of my plans for this video is to don't make any cuts besides the cuts that I'm going to make in this. So maybe I'll just like one of the worst unboxings ever. Fast forward. So today we'll find an answer to one of the most important questions in the world of photography. Do you have a good enough camera? And the answer is in this box. Yeah, it's really exciting. That's nice. Oh, yes. And these are actually prints from the camera that I'm recording this video on. This camera is like 4 or 5 years old now. Let's find out. But I will do my best. Oh, these are huge. Wow. This is extraordinary. It's really a special moment for me right now. These are going for an exhibition. Wow. It's really something special to see your work on such scale. Extraordinary. So, no, you don't need a better camera. You're alright. Just go out and take some photos.